Hey folks, it's Tom, your frugal prepper. I'm out here in the shed. I'm just gonna bring you along. I'm doing some stuff, just trying to get things organized and done and fixed as usual. So I got my shed's pretty full of junk that I don't need, and I need to get it cleaned out so that I can move out of my storage unit because they've raised the price to $50 a month, and there's a bunch of junk in my storage unit I haven't used in 10 years that I can throw away, but there's a few things I want. So goal is to clean out the shed, make room for what I want to keep in the shed, get moved out of that storage unit. I'm keeping that push mower, I'm keeping my riding mower. That push mower is going to go, that tiller over there goes. They both run. In fact, that tiller is a beast. This one that's over here under this cardboard box. Old Trustworthy. But that tiller works great. It's a little lighter and easier to use. I want to keep that. Table saw is going to go. I just don't ever use it or need it. That shelf's going to go. That filing cabinet thing back there's got to go. So I got some big heavy duty steel shelves that I'm probably going to put here in the shed. So I just need to clean all this crap out of here. Fun times. So we'll see if we can get this old girl to start. This thing is just kind of an abomination. It's just a conglomeration of different lawnmowers I picked up out of the trash. It's got a Chinese carburetor I bought off of eBay, and then the rest is just parts I've got from different mowers. I picked it up out of the trash like 12 years ago. So we'll see if we can get her to start. I have to find some gas. Pour a little down the carburetor. So, okay, let's try it out. See what she does. Alright, we'll clean out the fuel ball. Alright, this thing's dirty inside. Fuel bowl out of this cheap Chinese carburetor. Maybe. I'll try to get this pin out. Yeah. Okay, now I'm going to spray like in here. You see, when I spray that in here, it should come out. And it does not. It's all plugged up. That's my main problem. Does it come out that way? Yeah, there we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Oh yeah, now she's flowing. Now she's flowing. The question is, where's the needle valve? Did I drop the needle valve? Oh, darn it. Alright, sweet. I found her. I actually looked and I sat the float like over here on top of this spool of wire, and I figured it had to fall off over there somewhere, so I ran my magnet around a little bit and boom, I had her just like that. Alright, cool. So I just want to make sure that if I spray down here through this jet, see if we get something running out. Seems like we do. Yep. Okay, so the jet's free. That's all that really matters. And then there's usually a little hole in this too that we have to make sure is clear. Usually. Yep. I think those are pretty clear. So I'll just go ahead and reinstall my float and everything. Oh crap, I lost my needle back again. That's how easy that is. I had it sitting up here again. Oh, got it. Okay. Thank God for magnets. Alright, there we go. This is a 1/2 inch. Alright, 1/2 inch. So you don't leak. We don't need any vacuum leaks, and we'll end up getting a lean code. We'll end up getting one of the PO171 on the lawnmower. That's not good. Okay, there's that. There. That's that. Okay. Me wonders if there's a kill switch wire on this coil. You have to pull the cover off to find out. Yeah. Nice and hot. Woo. Alright, so I'm just going to take this guy. We're going to run it into this tab. So let me come through here with it. So, yeah. Just have to have a way that's just going to run out of the side. Trying to make it look somewhat like a complete hack job, but it's a complete hack job. Who am I kidding? Got me some single weight 30. Let's see if we can get it in here without spilling it everywhere. Now I could sell it to somebody for 25 bucks. They could take a home run out of oil, lock it up, and throw it in the trash. Because you know that's how it's going to go. Let's go see if I can't sharpen this blade here a little bit. I just need to sharpen it right on the edges here. I probably should disconnect the spark plug, but I'm living dangerous. What can I say? That gets a sharper edge on her. All right. Yep, she'll cut grass.